Hello, this is Opinion Radar. And if you've ever stared at a cabinet door, wondering how to perfectly install a Euro hinge without ruining the wood, you're not alone. Today, we're taking a close look at the Milescraft Euro Hinge Jig, a tool designed to take the stress out of one of those precision tasks that can make or break a DIY kitchen upgrade. Whether you're installing new doors or replacing old ones, alignment is everything, and that starts with a clean, accurate 35 millimeters cup hole. This little system promises to deliver professional results without the need for expensive machinery or years of cabinet-making experience. For under $25, it's an intriguing option for homeowners and weekend builders who want reliability without the overhead. Over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through how it performs in real-world use, what it does well, where it asks for a little extra care, and whether it's truly worth a spot in your toolkit. Let's dive in. When I first unpacked the Milescraft Euro Hinge Jig, I was pleasantly surprised by how well everything was organized. All the essentials are right there: 35 millimeters Forstner bit, a locking collar Allen wrench, a 1/16 inch pilot drill, edge stop pin, marking gauge, and even a template for mounting the hinge to the cabinet. It's clear they thought through the workflow. The fact that the small parts snap neatly into the base of the jig is a small but thoughtful design touch. No losing screws or bits in your shop drawer. For someone like me who's tackling a small kitchen refresh or cabinet upgrade, this all-in-one setup is a godsend. You really just need a drill and a clamp, and you're good to go. I appreciate not having to hunt down extra components or wonder if I'm missing something crucial. It's a solid value play, especially for DIYers or weekend warriors who aren't doing cabinet work full-time. At $24, it's affordable enough to justify buying without buyer's remorse, yet it doesn't feel like a cheap tool straight out of the gate. Now let's talk about actual use. I put this jig to work installing Euro hinges on a set of frameless cabinets, and once I got the hang of it, the process was smooth. The offset settings from 2.5 millimeters to 7 millimeters cover most standard hinge requirements, and I found the 4 millimeters setting worked perfectly for the hinges I was using. The guidepost for positioning the jig 3-inch or 4 from the door edge is handy, though I needed a 5 offset. No deal breaker, I just measured and marked manually. Honestly, the vast majority of users won't run into this, and even when I did, it wasn't hard to adapt. Where this jig shines is consistency. Once you've dialed it in, every hole comes out at the same depth and position, which means your cabinet doors line up beautifully. That kind of repeatability is what saves you from frustrating adjustments later. I didn't clamp it down the first time out of overconfidence, and I paid for it. My drill tipped slightly, and I could feel resistance. Lesson learned: clamp it every time. Your hands will thank you, and more importantly, your holes will be perfectly perpendicular. One thing I quickly realized, and I wish the instructions made this clearer, is the importance of keeping the drill straight and avoiding side pressure. The drill guide has a steel bearing, but it's surrounded by plastic, and too much lateral force can generate heat, which over time might deform the housing. After reading through my own experience and a few subtle hints from others in the community, I started applying a light smear of grease to the Forstner bit shaft. It runs smoother, stays cooler, and I haven't had any binding since. Speaking of the Forstner bit, it's impressively sharp right out of the box. It cut clean, splinter-free holes in my plywood doors without bogging down my drill. I only did 8 holes total, so I can't speak to long-term durability, but for a one-off project or occasional use, it's more than adequate. The bit does have a standard shank, not a hex, so I did notice a bit of slippage in my chuck at first. Tightening it down fully solved that, but a hex shank would have been a nice upgrade. Now, let's be honest, this isn't a professional-grade, all-metal jig. It's primarily plastic, and while it feels sturdy enough, you can tell it's not built to withstand daily use in a cabinet shop. If you're installing hinges for a living, churning out dozens of doors a week, you'd probably want something heavier duty. But for the homeowner or hobbyist doing a few doors every couple of years, it's perfect. I did get one hiccup when the bit sleeve seized on the 14th hole. Not ideal, but once I realized it was likely due to lack of lubrication, I worked it loose, cleaned it up, and kept going. It's a reminder that while this tool is simple, it's not indestructible. That said, even with that hiccup, I'd still recommend it. It got me accurate, functional results without costing a fortune. The fact that it includes a full guide for mounting screw holes is a big plus, even if you need to trial fit your specific hinge to determine which hole pair to use. Setup is intuitive and the instructions are clear, no cryptic diagrams or guesswork. You can have it up and running in under 10 minutes. I especially liked how it allows you to pre-drill mounting screw holes using the 4 sets of guide holes. For Blum-style hinges, I had to test fit, but once I found the right pair, everything lined up perfectly. That kind of flexibility keeps it useful across different hinge brands. I've used other jigs that claim to be universal but fell short. This one delivers where it counts. The metal drill guide ensures clean, precise hole placement, and when combined with a good Forstner bit, you get a professional-looking result every time. It's not magic, but it comes close. I had zero wobble, no tear out, and every hinge seated flush. That precision is what turns a DIY job into something that looks store-bought. Overall, I'd say the Milescraft Euro Hinge Jig is a smart buy for anyone diving into cabinet hinge installation for the first time or tackling a small project. It's easy to use, delivers solid accuracy, and includes nearly everything you need. Yes, it's made of plastic, so treat it with care. And yes, you'll get better longevity if you add a dab of grease and clamp it down. But for under 25 bucks, you're getting a tool that simplifies a task that can otherwise be intimidating. I was nervous about messing up my cabinet doors, but this jig took the guesswork out of it. Every hole was consistent, every hinge aligned, and the final result? Spot on. Would I buy it again? Absolutely, especially knowing how much smoother the job went thanks to this little gadget. If you're a homeowner, renter with a passion for upgrades, or just someone who hates crooked cabinet doors, this is one of those underrated tools that quietly makes your life easier. If you're ready to drill into precision and stop guessing with every cabinet project, let this be the tool that closes the deal. Don't leave your hinges to chance. Smack that like button if this review helped, and subscribe for more smart upgrades that nail it every time. Trust me, your next DIY build will thank you.